Once again, you all are welcome to the class today. Now, today we are looking at the linear equations with fractions. But before we do that, I would want us to solve this question and see how we can solve a simple linear equation. This is linear equation without fractions. So this question is on the board to guide us into what we have today. And look at this. We have 5y plus 2 equals to 2y plus 14. Now, our interest is to solve for y, is to solve for y. So we are looking for the value of y. Find y. That's what we are looking for in this question. So what do we do? Solution. Now we have 5y plus 2 equals to 2y plus 14. Now you will observe that on this side of the equation, you have the value y and you have a number 2. On this side of the equation, you have the value y and you have the number 14. So you can solve an equation with the value you are looking for, the unknown variable, which is y, to be on both sides. So you have to bring the value which you are looking for, which is y, to one side of the equation. And to do that, you have to do what we call collection of like terms. Like terms. So the first step to this kind of equation that have multiple, that have variables of like one variable but is in different parts, is to first of all simplify, bring them together. So to do that, we do what you call collection of like terms. So collect like terms. So what are we doing here? We are bringing the value that have the same either alphabet together and the numbers to ones together. So let's take y. Since we are looking for y, let's take y to the left hand side and take the numbers to the right hand side. So what we'll be doing is to remove 2 here. Remember what the equation is. When you have plus and it's crossing the equality sign, it becomes what? Negative. So what we're going to be doing is, it means that we are going to be subtracting 2 from both sides and we'll subtract minus 2y from both sides. So we'll do this. We'll say 5y plus 2 minus 2, then plus, also plus 2 minus 2 minus 2y equals to 2y minus 2y plus 14. Now, here comes this factor, meaning that you are bringing this one, this will be becoming minus, and you are taking this one, this will be becoming what? Becoming then minus 2. You are taking one, this will be becoming minus. So here, 5y minus 2, 2 minus 2, this gives us 0. That will have 2 minus y equals to y, 2y minus 2y, that gives us 0. Then this becomes 14 minus 2. So from here we can solve and say that 5y minus 2, that will give us 3y, and 14 minus 2, that will give us 12 as a number. Okay, having got that, we already know what to do from that expression. That when you have this, we are looking for y. So what do? You divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 3. So we have 3y divided by 3. That is to help us get the value of y, which is our interest. So this will take this off, and this here one, 12 and 3 in 12, that gives us 4. So it means your y is 4. Simple. Do we get that? So that is how this kind of expression is solved. I want to believe we understand what we just did now. So, having done this, that's how to go about this kind of expression. Thank you. We'll look through the main topic now, which is linear equation with fraction. So let's take one.